that one there. See,
What is that? It's like head down, tail up above his hair.
Oyster catchers. Boats rocking.
put in the water. You guys move, you got to do it.
Where they all go.
I stood up, they freaked out.
They're all going in.
Yeah, they don't like me.
There's one right over here
Stop.
coming for us.
Once we get fed.
Yeah, I don't think they see us as that. Oh, look, lunchtime.
Yeah.
Bye.
The little baby ones up there.
There's one for
Low flow water at the end of August, September, but in November or
churning pretty
May,
good.
it's just hooking down there. Say, I did get to hover in a helicopter right at the top there one time, but that wasn't where I photographed it.
That's unbelievable.
They wanted to park a boat at the bottom here and fill up the boat with water.
So Katie was just
Katie
saying.
just telling you?
Take it down to California?
That's right, yeah. Well, it was a bad idea because they, you know, the boats, they fill them with ballast water in California to get them back up here, and then they were going to dump it all up here, and who knows what's in the water.
Yeah.
Oh, there's
So it's called Harmony Falls. We're close to the Harmony Islands up ahead here. There's actually a little provincial park.
hear it.
Yeah,
You can hear it, eh?
I know.
One that makes you, one that make you
We'll race you to the top.
Okay, see ya.
No, shingle blocks. Yeah, there were shingle blocks, 54-inch. The lake is full of them still.
Wow.
And it was for the Green Bay Shingle Mill that belonged to Ian McKechnie. That McKechnie Lake on Nelson Island's named after. And they only ran from 1924 to 24 and 25.
Yeah.
And then the flume, there's remnants of it.
Yeah.
But if you hike up the hill, the shingle bolts are still laying there.
Yeah.
But we collected a whole bunch of them, and they were, some of them were like instrument wood, like beautifully, like even after it's
Well
been
preserved.
well preserved and no knots, tight grain.
You can make a fiddle out of it.
You could.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like you could, if you could get the bolts to the top of the waterfall, you could pretty well chuck them over.
That's incredible.
Yeah, but they wouldn't survive. But I think it's like 800 feet when it's really roaring. It's a 800-foot vertical, and then it goes through the woods.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, I think the total's about 1,400 feet there.
And it's dry. I've never seen this much water in late August here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it doesn't come straight down. Like it must filter all along here then, eh? Because where it hits there, you can see the
Yeah.
You'd think you'd see it
And then
coming
you
right
can
out
sort of see it
onto
come
the
down
into the
through the
water.
Well, you
Yeah.
can. You can see a little white
Yeah, I
patch.
could just
Yeah.
see it. Yeah.
Well, usually at the bottom of waterfalls like that, you get a lot of broken rock at the bottom.
Yeah,
so
and then it
kind of
just displaces.
drains through the water with the rocks. Yeah.
But you think it would be ice cold water, and it's actually really warm. But you're right. We had a fellow with me had an altimeter in his watch, and it's 1450
Yeah.
at the top.
Right.
Gee.
And
Be a great helicopter shot.
well, you can land a helicopter. There's enough room to land a helicopter up there.
Wow.
I've actually seen a helicopter land there before, and I think some guys have done the base jumping off of it.
Okay.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah. So it's,
Well, you have to be crazy to do that.
yeah.
I know. But they
Yeah, that's why they put those people on this earth to be crazy. It just comes down. It's remarkable.
I actually like it better than Chatterbox Falls, the one that everyone goes to up in Princess Louisa. It starts way up the mountain and comes down, but this one it's more like right there.
A little more compact.
Yeah, compact. You can get it all in a photo.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's my favorite waterfall on the south coast. You go up north, there's lots of falls.
So the same water coming down continuously, and then when it peaks, or there's more coming down, you'd think it would just keep washing the rock out, so it just
Well, when it really comes down, it takes a different path, and there's through the woods, like to get to where we were swimming up there. We were climbing down roots, like the roots were all just roots. There was no dirt around them,
right.
so it was almost like climbing down a ladder. But it was a real workout getting there. I've only done it 3 times.
Look at it just filtering to the left of that one side.
So when it's really boiling, there's actually three waterfalls. There's one to the one to the left is bigger, and then there's one to the right.
Yeah, in that little gully there.
Mhm. And up where before it goes over, where you can't see, there was a Chinese-Japanese shake camp up there, and they had carved the rocks, and they had some kind of water wheel.
Wow.
To, I don't know if it made power or
generate something.
Filled the flume up. Yeah. But and we found their old camp, which was like all kinds of bottles and broken plates and stuff, artifacts.
You can almost put a heritage site up there or something, telling the story of it or something, right?
Yeah, it's in the Nelson Island story.
There's somewhere.
Get that moon in there, Kate.
Felix.
Yeah, I see it.
Upside down tree.
Not too many trees with the roots at the top.
No, that's what you call sheer rock face. You can actually climb that stuff.
Tough place to grow carrots.
Straight up, right?
No soil.
Oh, that's a good one, Phil. Put that in my repertoire.
Obviously, you've never been a tree planter.
No, obviously.
So this is Hotham Sound right here. It dead ends up here. It's all scraped out by the glacier. Hardly any soil in here at all.